Hello everyone, I am Zishan on behalf of Shri Aurobindo Society. I welcome all the teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platforms of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative. Today, we will be discussing new and innovative techniques to make the learning process more successful, more interesting and fun-filled for our students. The chapter that I am going to cover today is General Conversation of Class 1. It is from the UP board. The chapter number is 10. The subject is English. The name of the ZIIEI innovative idea that I am going to take today is Self-Created Dictionary. This is a revision-based idea. The students are asked to collect rough or waste papers, bind them together into a booklet which is called Self-Created Dictionary. The innovation is that through the idea Self-Created Dictionary, the vocabulary of the students gets richer. They add difficult and new words into this booklet, search their meanings in the dictionary and add them into this self-created dictionary. The time required to implement this idea is 20 minutes. Today, we are going to be covering the concept of vocabulary by implementing the idea self-created dictionary. The educator needs to ensure that the building and the explanation of the lesson general conversation have already been done. The educator will implement the idea self-created dictionary through the following instructions. Ask the students to read the lesson general conversation and note down all the words that are new to them or difficult for them in an old notebook or the booklet that they have already made with the waste papers. Ask them to find out the meanings of all these words either by inquiring about them from their family members or by consulting a dictionary. The students will go home, read the lesson and note down new words as per their level of understanding. They can ask their family members about their meanings or look them up in the dictionary and write them down in an old notebook or the booklet that they have already made. For example, the students may note down the following vocabulary and new words. For example, wash. Then after writing wash, they will write its meaning, which is to clean something using water. And they can also write down its meaning in Hindi, dhona, live. They will write its meaning in English, for example, to be alive or have life. And they can also write down its meaning in Hindi, which is zinda rehna or jivit rehna. Cut. They will write down its meaning in English first, for example, to break or divide into something. They can also write its meaning in Hindi, kaatna. More such words could be added into this list. We can achieve the following learning outcomes through this ZIIEI innovative idea while revising the chapter General Conversation. Respond orally in any language, including the sign language, to comprehension questions related to the story or the poem. Carry out the simple instructions such as shut the door, bring me the book, etc. Listen to English words, greetings, polite forms of expressions, simple sentences, and respond in English, home language, or sign language. Talk about self, situation, pictures, etc. in English. Write simple words like fan, hen, rats, etc. The following key points are to be noted. This idea acts as a tool to enable the pedagogical practices for promoting the thinking process, decision making, and critical reflection as also discussed in NCF 2005. The duration for the implementation of the innovative ideas is based on the assumption that the pupil-teacher ratio (PTR) is constant at 30 students and 1 teacher. Core life skills that can be included are critical thinking and decision making while the students think about the new words and their meanings. Values of respect towards others will be touched upon when the students speak to their family members regarding the meaning of new words. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to our channel on YouTube and like our page on Facebook.